Hey friends, if projecting to this PC option is grayed out on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Right click on the start button, select settings on the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on optional features and then select this option, add an optional feature, type wireless or maybe display. So basically you won't find it here because I think I already have this wireless display option. But I'll just show you how to do it. I'll remove it first. Then I'll click on view features and I'll type wireless. So wireless display will appear in this list. Select it and then click on next, click on add. It will start adding wireless display. It will need a while for that, and once wireless display is added, then you can reboot your system. Obviously it will need a while, a few minutes. Once it is done, reboot your system and it will be fixed. The problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.